Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, not Umusa acting all fresh for Umakwela, because I'm just like, why is Umusa tomelaring Umakwela and answering questions in such a funny way? Or maybe he's finally revealing his true colors. And is he doing that to impress Umakwela? Is he doing why? Because I don't get it, you guys. The first thing that I was just like, this is offish for Umusa to say, as one of the things we're going to see on tonight's episode is when Umakwela is having a conversation with Umusa. Musa is at Sea Park and Umakwela says, "Ukuthi ay phela mina uyangazi vele, I'm not the type that misses you. Umuntu ebekhumbula Umakwela, so I decided to call you." And then Umusa goes on to say to Umakwela ukuthi kumele umfundise Umakwela ukuthi she must stop missing me too much. Hi guys, that was so offish. I was just like, Musa, I know Uguchi, you are well off in your age, but number one, guys, Umakwela is a pregnant woman, and sometimes within your pregnancy journey, you're going to go through those stages where you want your man indoda yakho close by to you. You want him to spoil you. You want to be close with him. And Umusa's busy saying Uguchi ulokhuzana Umakwela must teach Umakwela must teach Umakwela to not miss him that much. I'm just like, nah, I feel like Umusa's just clamoring over nothing. Because is this not the same Musa that was saying Uguchi Umakwela makes him feel young because Umakwela wants to do other styles in the bedroom, or she's more active in the bedroom, so she makes him feel young. So Yana, he only wants to feel young when it comes to those affairs, but when it comes to him being there for his pregnant wife, he is basically saying which she must learn to not miss him a lot. Umusa. On top of that, guys, is that unokhuzana Umakwela goes on to tell Umusa ukuthi phela khona umbuzo engiwubuze Umakwela bekade ebuza ngumkhulu wabonwandle. So Umakwela did indeed ask Umakwela ukuthi what's going on ngendaba ka Musa, because Umusa never mentions his father's side. So Umakwela did answer the question and said ukuthi hey, that one I think it's something that he should explain to you. Umusa says to Umakwela, when Umakwela is telling Umusa there to Umakwela asked that question, Umusa then says ukuthi ungenaphi Umakwela lapho. Hi bo guys, what does he mean ukuthi ungenaphi? Umakwela is with child. She is about to become, or he's wanting to make her umfazi ophelele, and her asking about his father is being paperish, or is papering, or he's viewing it as her being papering. Because when a person says ungenaphi, they basically say ukuthi uyapapa, le ndaba ayikufuni. I'm just like, hi guys, I just feel like it's so offish. How do you marry a man who refuses or feels? I feel like it's one thing if a person says, I'm not ready to speak about something, but for someone to say, ungenaphi, whereas you're going to be a wife there, she is pregnant with a child. What will she even tell her own child? Or Wushugutu Musa wants to be the one who runs that narrative? I don't know, guys, but I just felt like those two responses coming from Umusa, I was not happy with them considering that Umakwela is pregnant. So I don't know, did he say or was he answering that in that way to impress Umakwela or whatnot? But Umakwela didn't really seem impressed, because Umakwela does say, hi, but Umakwela stand-up figure, she's young, she needs all the attention. But Umusa, yeah, he's busy acting all fresh. Hey guys, anyway, let's pocket them. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.